Hey there and welcome back to the second episode of the Scanlation tutorial series. In this video we will learn how to clean comic pages using basic tools in Photoshop. So let's get started. Let's take this panel for our first example. Here we want to clean the raw text in the text box. Start by creating a new layer. Then select the rectangular selection tool and carefully select the whole text area. Shift-click and drag to add another selection. Now select the eyedropper tool and sample the background color. Then using the fill tool, add the color inside the selection. For the second example, let's go with this panel. Start off by creating a new layer. Select a brush of your choice. Note that I am using the default Photoshop brushes. Now, adjust the size. Sample the color from the background and draw over the text. Now, we need to create those strokes. For that, create another layer. I'll name it Stroke. Now try to match the width of the brush stroke with the original art. You can use the square bracket keys on your keyboard to adjust the size of the brush. Now select the pen tool and draw carefully over the strokes. Then right-click and select Stroke Path. From the drop-down menu select Brush and uncheck the Stimulate Pressure option. Then hit OK. Do the same with the remaining strokes. Now select the previous layer and start drawing over it. Take your time, no hurry. For the last example, I'll use this panel. There's an easy way to clean this, but for this episode I'll only use the basic methods. I want you guys to get familiar with the basic tools first. In the next episode, I'll show you the other methods to clean comic panels. Nothing fancy here, just drawing using the default brushes. Alright, I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions, make sure to put it in our Discord server. Link is in the description. Till then, see you in the next episode.